I unfortunately have to come to you with nothing but sad and devastating news as a 53-year-old Zion Christian Church employee died on duty after he was allegedly struck by a truck trailer at the church-owned filling station in Boyne near the church's headquarters. Now, the victim, who was also a member of the church, has been identified as Alex Nenguza, who had been carrying out routine work on trucks moment before the tragedy happened. And according to ZCC's spokesman Mwatsi Mwape, Alex had just completed balancing the truck's wheels when the trailer suddenly hit him. Emergency services responded swiftly but said he was declared dead on the scene. Mwepe said the church convened its condolences to the bereaved family, describing Alex's death as both a personal and institutional loss. His passing is not only a loss to those who knew him and loved him, but also a significant loss to the church. We are cooperating fully with the South African Police Services, which launched an investigation, he said. Now, witnesses said the incident happened unexpectedly. It was not a pleasant scene. It happened so suddenly. We are shocked, said one witness, while another witness said that they had hoped um, that he would survive. When emergency services arrived, we thought he would make it. Limpopo police opened a case of culpable homicide and investigations are underway. Now, police spokesperson Colonel Malisela Ledwaba confirmed that the investigations into culpable homicide are ongoing. You guys, we're definitely sending out our deepest and sincere condolences to um his family and of course to the church, you guys, and may his soul rest in peace.